Alright, this is Twisted Scoots XD. I'm gonna do some random tricks. Alright.
.360. Try 360, man.
Where? Alright.
Anywhere. Just try 360. Try like a 360 and then a towel. For the final. It's been 1 minute now.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video with the tail.
Alright, better land it. Alright, do another one. I didn't really get to that one. Perfect.
Alright.
Twisted Scoots XD. Thanks for watching. Raise your watch.